Hello parents, hope you are doing good and staying safe. Today I'm gonna walk you through the pre-writing skills for 2 to 3 years. Generally they form a part of nursery and LKG syllabus. Let's first understand what are pre-writing skills. Pre-writing skills are the fundamental skills children need to develop before they are able to write. So let's begin. These are the standing lines. If you can see, I've made really colorful worksheets so that the kid is interested in doing them over and over again. And remember to make a story for every single line the kid is drawing. For this, you can tell him, look, the fruit is falling, the fruit is falling. These are the sleeping lines, wherein the kid needs to trace along the dotted line. These are the slanting lines. You can always tell him the mountain goes up and down, up and down. Always add peach to whatever they're writing or they're making. These are the curved lines. There are two kinds of curved line, left curved line and right curved line. In this, I've made right curved lines. You can also make left curves. You can also practice with him left curves. Moving over to the next set of lines. In this, the child needs to just trace along the dotted lines, and for each and every component you can make a story, like the leaf is going to the tree, the butterfly wants to go to the flower, the balloon wants to go to his family, and so on and so forth. Always remember, if you attach a story to his lines, he will be more keen and interested in writing for the next time. In a similar way, I made these simple sleeping lines, very easy to draw and yet very colorful. Now let's switch on to the next set of lines, standing lines. If you notice, I've made these standing lines as per the saying of children rhyme. This sings to Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. This is Itsy Bitsy Spider. Now when you're making him do these standing lines, you can very well ask him to sing the rhyme. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. This way the kid will enjoy the process of doing these lines. Similarly in this is based on the very famous rhyme Itsy Bitsy Spider. Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Slanting line. Now in this I've made like simple kites, wherein the kid needs to trace along the dotted line in a slanting way. Now slanting lines are also of two kinds, the left slanting lines and the right slanting lines. So these are both the kinds of slanting lines. The benefit of making figures with slanting lines is that it doesn't become monotonous. Last but not the least, let these curved lines. For curved lines, again, as I told you, they are of two kinds, left curve and right curve. In this, both the curves are covered in the balloon figure. And here I have made different kinds of curved lines. And again, you need to build a story to it. The mama ball wants to go to the baby ball. The mama bee wants to go to the baby bee. I've kept my sheets in the sheet protector, which ensures me to do it again and again. I can just wipe them off with the marker and reuse them. So it's like quite handy and saves my work of making sheets over and over again. Hope you guys enjoyed this session. And stay attuned for more worksheets from Zippy Kids Corner. Thank you so much. Stay safe.